Hey there, Money Masters! It's your girl Izzy back with another episode of Money Matters Made Easy. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that might seem a bit intimidating at first. But trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be a pro. We're talking about the importance of financial ratios. Now, I want you to think of financial ratios like the ingredients in a cake. You know, when you're baking a cake, you need the right balance of ingredients. Too much flour and your cake is dry, too little sugar and it's not sweet enough. Similarly, financial ratios help us understand the balance in a company's financial situation. Let's start with the first ratio, the current ratio. This is like the flour in your cake. It's the base, the foundation. The current ratio tells us about a company's ability to pay its short-term obligations. It's calculated by dividing the company's current assets by its current liabilities. Just like you wouldn't want a cake with too much or too little flour, you wouldn't want a company with a current ratio that's too high or too low. Next, we have the quick ratio or the acid test ratio. This is like the sugar in your cake. It sweetens the deal, but you don't want too much of it. The quick ratio is similar to the current ratio, but it excludes inventory from current assets. This gives us a more conservative view of a company's short-term liquidity. Then we have the debt-to-equity ratio. This is like the eggs in your cake. They bind everything together, but too many can make your cake heavy and dense. The debt-to-equity ratio tells us how much debt a company is using to finance its assets relative to the value of shareholders' equity. Finally, we have the return on equity ratio. This is like the baking powder in your cake. It's what makes your cake rise and become fluffy. The return on equity ratio tells us how much profit a company generates with the money shareholders have invested. Just like you would analyze the ingredients in a cake to ensure it's going to turn out delicious, analyzing these financial ratios can help you understand the financial health of a company. It can help you make informed decisions about where to invest your money. Remember, financial ratios are just one tool in your financial toolbox. They're not the be-all and end-all, but they can provide valuable insights. All right, Money Masters, that's all for today's episode. I hope this analogy helped you understand the importance of financial ratios. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more easy-to-understand financial content. And remember, just like baking a cake, mastering your finances takes practice. But don't worry, I'll be here every step of the way to help you become a true money master. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep making that dough. Izzy out.